If you've been using LinkedIn for a while, it is now a perfect time to take it to the next level, with a few tips and with some new features. Why right now? Because LinkedIn is the world's largest professional social network. It has now become even more powerful when it comes to networking, since there has been a 50% of increase in the content shared on LinkedIn over this past year. And it is getting closer and closer to 1 billion members, with currently about 750 million users, spread through 200 countries. Your LinkedIn profile has become one of the most important resources you have to reinforce your personal brand and, of course, your candidate appeal. I'm Marat from EMMOTION. I've been using LinkedIn for headhunting for more than 12 years. And in this video, I'll be sharing with you LinkedIn tips for advanced users and a couple of new features you might want to add to your profile. If you are not subscribed to my channel yet, then definitely hit the subscribe and enable the notification bell so you won't miss out my latest professional growth content. Also, thumb up this video if you found it useful. First tip is the feature of adding your name pronunciation to your profile. LinkedIn's name pronunciation feature is a great addition to the platform. Correct pronunciation of someone's name is not just about being polite. It is also important when making a good first impression and, of course, when creating an inclusive workplace. Thanks to this feature, now every LinkedIn member can record a 10-second audio clip and add it to their profile, so other users can listen to the recording and learn to pronounce their name. This is how it's done. Use the LinkedIn app. Go to your LinkedIn profile. Now that you are viewing your profile, you can see that there is an edit icon. Pencil edit icon next to your name. Click on Add Name Pronunciation. It requires enabling the microphone access for the LinkedIn app. Press the microphone icon to record, and you have to hold it all the way through the recording. You get 10 seconds to record your name. You can play and listen to it, and if you are satisfied with the result, click Save. Once a name pronunciation recording is uploaded to someone's profile, a speaker icon will appear next to their name, ready to be played. With 10 seconds of audio available, you are even able to say more than just your name. It is really nice to hear human voices introducing themselves. So even if your name is easy to pronounce, you should still take advantage of this feature. It will make your LinkedIn profile more personal. Note, you can't record or edit your name pronunciation on the LinkedIn desktop site yet. Number 2. Reorder your LinkedIn profile endorsements. If you've used LinkedIn for a while, you must have accumulated a lot of endorsements, and LinkedIn arranges these endorsements based on time. Some important endorsements may not be visible, as they probably came in first. You can easily choose your top 3 endorsements and reorder the rest of your LinkedIn endorsements using the following steps. Scroll down to the Skills and Endorsements section of your LinkedIn profile, and then click the Edit icon. In the pop-up window, select your top endorsements. Then click and drag the Reorder icon to the right side of the corresponding skill you would like to reorder. Once you are done, click Save. Optimize your headline with keywords and descriptors you would like to be known for. Don't waste a good opportunity to stand out and change the default LinkedIn professional headline, which is basically your current job title. Instead, use the keywords that represent your experience and which you would like to be known for in any LinkedIn searches. Without overusing them, of course, 2 or 3 keywords as a maximum, and your headline should give a clear idea of your expertise. Don't make your LinkedIn headline standard and bland. If you are a job seeker, don't just put "actively seeking new opportunities." There is no added value to such LinkedIn headlines. Explain what you do and who you help, so recruiters or hiring managers get a better picture of your profile. Here are some headline examples. Graphic designer, motion animation. I help companies create images that lead to more conversion and sales. Corporate learning manager, skilled in instructional design, learning and development management. Business development director, experience in food and beverage operations. Or my current tagline, which is helping businesses and professionals to reach their employment targets effectively. Founder of EMMOTION. Number 4. Optimize your LinkedIn summary and turn it into your sales pitch. Personalized cover image and headline are great, but your LinkedIn summary is the best place to drive action. It is your chance to tell your own professional story and turn it into your personal sales pitch. How you are hoping to connect with people, and most importantly, what value do you bring to your audience? It is an important part of your LinkedIn profile, which is why I made a complete step-by-step video on how to write a good LinkedIn summary. I'm adding the link in the description below and in the card you see on your screen. Number 5. Use the featured section. LinkedIn recently added a featured section at the top part of your profile. This section is a perfect opportunity to add rich media content, such as videos, presentations, portfolios, anything that helps to promote your personal brand. Instead of just claiming that you make great designs, link them to this section so people can see it for themselves. Videos and PowerPoint presentations work really well on this section. Add other new sections to your profile. LinkedIn lets you add several sections to give your profile more visual appeal and depth. You can now add sections for posts, volunteering, languages, honors and awards, causes you care about, and many more. All these sections open you up to making new connections and to exploring more opportunities. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please thumb it up and share it with whoever you think might find it beneficial. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, and see you in my next video coming up.